morning, everybody. Happy, fantastic Friday. It is a joy to be here, let me tell you. Wow, Las Vegas is, again, just having a wonderful, wonderful May. We have 32 days of inventory, everybody. It has been a while since we've seen that number. And I believe it's because people are actually listing their homes. Let me get rid of this message here. Listing their homes. Because why? The interest rates are going up, the prices are going up, and people are saying, "Oh my gosh, we better make hay while the sun shines." Don't wait to buy real estate. Don't wait to buy real estate. Buy real estate and wait. And if they've waited and now they're ready to sell, because we listed 210 homes yesterday, everybody. This is a fantastic, fantastic number, and that gives us 792 homes for $475,000 and under. But wait, why do I have an arrow pointing toward 475? Don't go away. I'm going to tell you in a minute. We're selling 123 homes a day. That's 11 less than last year. And last year we had such a pandemic buildup that I'm amazed that that number isn't bigger. Anyway, we are selling 125 homes a day year to date, 123 homes in May month to date. So I think we're going to continue with this brisk market. If everything remains the same, which you never know, but that's what makes life exciting. So live today's life today, because you don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. That's for sure. All right, let me show you what just happened here. Let me find it here. I did the median today, and guess what, everybody? It went up. Let me get myself over here. Yeah, the median price in May went up to 485. It ended up in April at 478. I was still doing 475 because I was only doing our zip codes in the valley, not the entire, all the counties. So the 485 might be a little less. I didn't do my, over the weekend, I'll do what it is here, but it's probably 480, 485 because Las Vegas does the most real estate in the state. So we shall see what happens. And I've been excited this morning. So much going on everywhere for everybody. The agents, yes, it's busy out there, and don't complain. First of all, Gary Vee says nobody cares, right? Nobody cares. That's what he says. I'm just saying what he says. Anyway, just be happy that you're in this market. Be happy that you're in this market. I have my little B up here, because I believe be in the moment, be happy, and don't complain. So we'll adjust this price. We'll see how this affects the sales, the price, and the interest rates. So far, it hasn't. And I have to tell you all, we have the people that bought homes 10, 15 years ago. They're okay because they have lots of equity. We talk about this all the time. And I just want to kind of put the dynamics of the market into perspective. These people have, they've gained equity even this year. But the people that have been in their home 10 to 15 years, which let's look back here a decade, they have $326,000 worth of equity in their home. So they're thinking, I have more money to put down, so the 5% plus interest rate isn't going to bother me. And I'd rather buy now because it might go up, because that's what people are saying. So you see, there's a dynamic happening. So people are listing their homes, and guess what? They're going to buy another home. They have money to put down. That's going to make our market even more solid than it already is, which I always say that we are almost bulletproof. Within our own real estate market, not counting all the outside world, but we are almost bulletproof here, and it's a fantastic place to be. We're working with investors who want to buy properties. With some things have fallen out of the sky for us, people that want to sell their investment portfolios. And it's a wonderful time to be in real estate. I just want to get everybody excited about it with enthusiasm, because there may not be a better time to buy a home with all this equity. And here's the thing: once it corrects, let's say that the 485 goes back to 465, right? That might be a reasonable correction. I'm just saying. So the people that want to sell today, it might be the right time to sell, because a correction means the price will be lower, so your equity will be less. Yes, the home you purchase will be less, but today you have more to put down to get a better payment, because if it corrects, the interest rate might go up, and that might cause the correction. Because so far, if you look at this, the interest rate going up hasn't caused a correction. We're selling more homes, we're listing more homes, the prices have gone up, and our market right now, there's a sweet spot here, everybody. Don't miss it. Do not miss this sweet spot. And the $1 million home market is incredible. We're listing more, we're selling more, and that means more people are coming to Las Vegas, in my opinion, that want to live here in those $1 million neighborhoods, because they come from other places where their values have gone up too. So they're bringing that money here, which is good. Also, because of the appreciation, I mean, homes in the like Red Rock Country Club have doubled in price over the past couple of years. So of course they might want to move from here and maybe want to buy a different home. A bigger home, a smaller home, on a country club with a view instead of perhaps on an interior home. So lots of things going on. And you have to be excited about this market no matter which side of it you're on.